Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. Today I'm so excited to unbox and share with you the Shine from the Inside Oracle Cards and Guidebook. This is by Brittney Carmichael and the artwork is by Jena Kane. This has been requested so much, and the last time that I tried to purchase it, it was sold out. So let's get into it. This is, let's see, does it have a publisher? I don't know, but it was $35 when I purchased it. It does not have the retail price on the deck. There's no magic pill for self-love. Discover the magic within and break free of the fear that holds you back from shining your light. Feeling stuck or needing a motivational kick in the butt? Create fun and playful approach to making friends with your inner mean girl so you can confidently reclaim your power with this 44 card self-love oracle and guidebook. These cards will help you to believe in yourself, overcome overwhelming negative thoughts, and encourage you to manifest your wild and crazy dreams. This tool is for self-discovery, embodies empowerment, equality, courage, freedom, sisterhood, and the space to be your authentic self unapologetically. Let these cards intuitively guide you back home to your soul's sacred center to remember just how badass you truly are because you are meant to shine. All right, let me just see. Yeah, it doesn't tell me anything about the publisher, so maybe it was self-published. Maybe we'll find out. Oh, how cute is that? You were meant to shine. Oh, I love the little surprises. Okay, cute. Just little shiny stars and a little moon. Okay, put that over here. Oh, okay. I gotta pace myself because I'm already falling in love. Okay, so this is the guidebook here. Getting started, we have creating your sacred space, clearing the juju, setting your intention, and storing your cards. Then it gives you an overview of the basics there. So you got some spreads here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then all of the meanings. And they are alphabetically, it looks like, situated here. And then it has some next steps. Oh, cute. Dedication, love note. Oh my goodness. And it's all color in here too, which is always fantastic. Ah, I love already. Okay, sorry. Oh, look at the little spreads. Oh, okay. So far it's super cute, super positive. Love it. It's a vibe. All right, let's flip through these cards. Oh, the hollow. Okay, I don't know if you can tell, but we've got some, what is that? Is it linear hollow, Christine? So pretty. Okay, so the edges are on point, and then we have this pretty little back. Oh, so awesome. It really reminds me of Danielle Noel-esque artsy kind of. Okay, yeah. Anywho, let's see what we got here. Cute. I'm already really loving these cards. So they're not thick, but they're not thin. They're good cardstock. They're matte as well, which I am totally here for. Oh, okay. I love. So I really did like the Sacred Self-Care Oracle, and this is seemingly similar. So I feel like this is more mantra based or affirmation based as well as the other one, the Sacred Self-Care, is more like, here are some ideas to help you, to give you some guidance. These I feel like are more like love yourself. Like, let's teach you to love yourself. So cool. And even with the foiled or the gilded edges, they are not sticking together so far. So let's keep that going. I really do love these so far. It's just so positive. The artwork is beautiful. Start small, yep. This is hard for me. I know it's hard for a lot of people. It's hard for me to commit to self-care rituals. It's so bad. It's gorgeous. Ah. Now, $35, I'm just going to come out and say it. It is a lot to spend on 44 cards. However, so far this quality is so nice. The cards feel so good. There's just something about the energy coming off of these that I'm like here for. I can't wait to read what the guidebook has to say for a card here. Oh, stunning. This is a very feminine energy deck, so do keep that in mind. However, I mean, all of these would benefit anybody. Oh. You guys, this is so cute. Oh, I love this so much. Just precious. You can't see it, but I can't stop smiling. This is a reminder I need as well. I think that was the one takeaway that all my teachers would like tell my parents at back to school night or, you know, report cards, like, she just needs to slow down. Like, she tries to rush through everything. I love it. I'm excited to see how it shuffles. Ooh. Plants. Turn lemons into lessons. Okay. Love. Yes. Oh, love. Okay, so let's shuffle her and see how that goes. Oh my gosh. Love. Yep, not a problem. Okay, can I get one card, please? One card to read. It feels really good in the hand. Oh, and we've got You Are Pure Magic. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at what this has to say in the guidebook. And that is a Y. So let's see. You are pure magic. Wow. Okay. There's like 3 pages on it. Just in case you've forgotten, you're pure magic, baby. You were born a dreamer, but most likely you've buried your magic along the way. You may have forgotten you have this incredible manifesting power to create life, new ideas, inventions, connections, beauty, joy, and most importantly, love. Everyone possesses magic, but only those willing to take charge of their lives and put in the work will activate its potential. Stepping into your magic requires that you leave your old limiting beliefs behind, examine your intentions, and discover who you really are. Magic is not something you do, magic is something you are. Donald Michael Craig. Stop waiting for someone else to create a perfect world, the perfect product, the perfect you name it. You were born to use your magic and contribute your own unique energy to the world. You are destined for a life of magic if you just believe in the possibility of your dreams. Believe in your heart that you're meant to live a life full of passion, purpose, magic, and miracles. Roy T. Bennett. Magical people are on a mission to spread love, light, and creativity in the world. You want to bring out the sparkle, magic in others and can't help but leave a trace wherever you go. You have the ability to turn up the shine on anything you put your heart and soul into. Your energy can't be ignored. You have the power to attract the perfect people and opportunities to help you grow along your path. If you've pulled this card, it's a reminder that you have magic within that wants to be seen. They say those that don't believe in magic will never find it. Take a moment to check in with any negative beliefs that might be holding you back from tapping into your full potential. Replace any limiting belief with the trust that anything is possible. I am pure magic and I make a world a more glittery place. Everyone possesses magic, but only those willing to take charge of their lives and put in the work will activate it. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. So, I mean, I know it's not going to be for everyone. I know it is very feminine, very positive, and very much, it could be kind of one of those niche decks that not everybody is into. However, it checks a lot of boxes for me. If I'm going to spend that kind of money on a 44 card deck, I want to make sure that the quality is there, that, I feel connected to the deck. The art is on point. I mean, you have the hollow foiling. The art is stunning. Plus, it's positive and there's diversity. And there are different body shapes and sizes, which is fantastic. Representation matters, and I will continue to scream it from the mountaintops every time I do a deck because it is true. Tarot, oracle, divination of any kind is for everyone. Everybody can tap into it and do it. But seeing themselves in a deck is always that important key that helps them to relate to that deck. So if you see yourself in the deck, you want to use it more, correct? Just like with, TV, magazines, all of the advertisings, whatever you name it, representation matters, correct? So that's always something I look for. And, now it is 2021, so there are no excuses anymore, okay? Let's turn the clock forward to good things, positivity, and inclusivity, and this deck really does do that for me. I am so happy and so excited. $35, yes, that is a little steep. However, I really do like this deck a lot. I feel like this is the kind of positive deck that sometimes we need. Sometimes when we're going through a rough time or a rough patch, or, we're doubting ourselves or our creativity, you name it, etc. Sometimes a deck like this comes along to help you kind of recenter yourself and acknowledge, okay, I may be feeling this way, but I'm, maybe I can tap into this energy, or maybe I can look at things in a different way. So it can kind of snap you out of it a little bit. Not saying that is the be all end all cure, but sometimes a deck like this that is full of positive affirmations can help you get through kind of an icky day or an icky time, or, a creative block. So I'm definitely excited about this. I am kind of excited about the potential of this. Use it for meditation, use it for a daily pull, use it for journaling. you know, what comes to mind when it says you are pure magic? Do you just think of magic in the abstract, or do you think of magic as things that you can do? And do a journal or a writing prompt about that. Get your energy or your creative energy juices flowing, you know? So this is kind of exciting. And I know I've like said this a million times, but I am thrilled with this so far. So I'll see how I like it when I play around with it and use it, but I feel totally connected to this. I feel like this was worth the money. The quality is great. The art is beautiful. They shuffle great. So yeah, I mean, I would recommend it. I think this would be a fantastic gift because honestly, you can use it however you want to use it. And it's not, you know, screaming, it's an oracle deck, use me as an oracle deck to somebody who's new, right? It can kind of help dip their toes in the water, so to speak. So I'm just saying, great gift to yourself, gift to a loved one. I really enjoy it. So let me know what you think now that I've rambled on about it down in the comment section below, as well as don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you'll never miss an upload from me. And thank you so much for spending your time with me and having chats in the comment section. I thoroughly enjoy it. And anyway, thanks again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.